hot sauces from Tijuana, Mexico. Like, how exciting is that, guys? Check this out. It's the Perrona Hot Sauce. What's up, guys? Hope you guys are having an epically amazing day today. I received some hot sauces from the bro here on YouTube. Guys, he sent me some hot sauces from Tijuana, Mexico. Like, how exciting is that, guys? Check this out. It's the Perrona Hot Sauce. I know. I got 2 of them to review for you guys, which I will do one in this video and the next one in the next video. This is the original one with chile tepin. Have you guys tried chile tepin? I love chile tepins, and they grow like a bush, like in such an abundance. I'm actually not growing them this year. I did grow them last year. I do have some pictures on them on Instagram, so be following me on Instagram so you guys can see all the damn pictures. They are so freaking awesome. I love peppers, guys, and the varieties. There's so many different varieties that, oh my goodness. Like, I am in love with the chupetinhos this year. Like, goodness gracious, they are so delicious. Let me read you guys the ingredients. Has water, acetic acid, chile tepin pepper, iodized salt, spices, xanthan gum as an added preservative. Let's shake it up and let's go ahead and open it. I'm pretty sure they have these también here, like at your grocery store. So look for different hot sauces, guys. You guys know how awesome it is to go into a store and find different hot sauces that you didn't even know existed. Si la puedo abrir, guys. Ooh! Let me get my spoon, guys. Get your own customized spoons at Pepper Envy LLC. Only $5. Never pay shipping, never pay taxes, because I hate paying shipping and taxes. And let's go ahead and fill this up. What if it's spicy? I mean, chile tepin, I mean, they're tiny, but if you add quite a bit of them, man, you make a great spicy salsa. Let's go ahead and try it, guys. The flavor. You can tell the Mexican. Honestly, this almost tastes like something that I would make as like for enchiladas. It's pretty spicy though. Maybe don't call it your enchiladas if you can't take that spice, but oh my goodness, it is so good. The salt, perfection. The chile tepin gives it a nice hint. The seasoning, honestly, it almost tastes like it has oregano in it. Like, it's really, really good. Like, I have to go for another one. I'm excited for the next one. I think they're gonna be smoked in the next one, so that's cool. Oh my goodness. How? Like, this is so delicious, guys. Oh my goodness, you guys have to try this Perrona hot sauce from Tijuana, Mexico. So delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks, bro, for sending me these hot sauces. You're so freaking awesome. Have an amazingly blessed day, guys. Bye.